Hey guys, well, I can't believe what I stumbled across. Me and Mom stumbled across. I've been down here in Lillington, North Carolina here. Not for the Mustang, but and I came across this place. It says I'll show you the front. Where? There's a sign up here. The sign way over there. Well, here, I'll give you this sign. Hold on. There's a place called East Coast Classic Cars. Well, maybe when I move down here, maybe I'll be a lot of time in this place. Although I don't know if I could do hardly any cold starts because everything's inside. Oh my God! Come on, it ain't worth that much, is it? 85,000. Not even the one Tony had was worth that much. This place is pretty cool. Got a newer Mustang in there, a Chevrolet like you saw at the thing. It's pretty cool. Ooh, Mercedes in there. Ford Thunderbird. Camaro over there. Oh man, I have to show this to Tony too. This is pretty cool. Ooh, 55 Bel Air. Can you see that? Good grief. $107,000. I don't even think Tony sold any of his for that much. Good grief. 350, 69 Camaro. Oh, that's why you probably made payments on these stuff. Oh, the Viper SRT10. Hope somebody broke that window there. Oh, here's the other door. How to get him out right here, probably. Corvette. Oh, that one's got tags on it. Okay. GTO behind it. Chevrolet pickup truck there. Another 69 Camaro. Like the wheels on that. My God, take a look. Another Thunderbird. There's a Chevrolet truck over there behind it. Another little nice Chevrolet truck here. Another Thunderbird. See how much that one will? Not really. I can't tell how much that is. Yeah, you can't really tell. Beautiful Chevrolet truck though. Oh yeah, I remember driving one of those SS3. Another 69 Camaro. I think they want 42 for. Oh Lord, look what's behind it. 70, look like a 70 Nova SS. Wow. Can't tell how much they went for the Camaro though. Corvette, driven that. I haven't driven one of those Camaros, but my aunt used to have one of those right there. Got a Thunderbird. Tony never had that many Thunderbirds before. Yeah, that's a GTO there, I think. Wow. Ford Model T over there behind it. Another Camaro convertible. Oh, $77,000 for that Camaro. It was $77,000. Good grief. Some people are saying Tony's prices are high. Wow. They better only have like 6,000 miles on it if they want that much for it. Oh, Plymouth, that may be Cougar maybe. Square body Chevrolets. These are pretty popular, man. People love those square bodies. They want. Is that 37,000? Okay. See that? Look at this old school thing, man. This is definitely got to be all original. Yeah, must be. Only won 11,000 for that. That might be what. Wow. Take a look at the tag. Oh. I think this thing will make a great cold start video. Shit. All original like that. You see in the bed? Wow. Good grief. Oh, is that all the way? Is that another one? There's another Nova back there. I think. Or maybe Chevelle. I don't know. A couple new cars. A nice little hot rod sitting with the blue flames on. This is pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna get some pictures down. Sweet. Well, check out another video. Just found this here in Lillington, North Carolina. There are some more classic cars. 1954 pickup. 34,000. I guess that's the number right there. Can't see much of it. Dang. Shoot. Y'all better buy something from Tony before you come here. His prices are way better than this. Oh my gosh. A good amount of these cars they want 3-digit figures for. Hardly any of Tony's cars I see that number. Awesome, guys.